Airbags can save lives, but they can also hurt motorists by inflicting airbag burns and other injuries. Can you be compensated for airbag burns? Hi, I'm speaking on behalf of Hensley Legal Group, a personal injury law firm based out of Indiana. I'd like to discuss how you can get compensation for your airbag-related injuries. Monetary damages may be available for your airbag burns if you pursue a personal injury case against the ones responsible. But who exactly would that be? The answer will depend upon the circumstances leading up to your injury. Most often, you'll be pursuing the individuals and entities who caused the car accident in which you were hurt. A list that could be far bigger than you might think. Potential airbag burn defendants could include, among others, the driver who hit you, the owner of his or her vehicle, if separate from the driver, an outside company making commercial use of that vehicle, if separate from the owner, and possibly other outside parties as well, such as a mechanic whose inadequate maintenance led to a breakdown-related crash in which your airbag deployed, a government agency whose failure to repair a road hazard contributed to your car accident, and any contractors employed by the government agency to carry out work on the hazardous road. Any of these parties could be at fault for your airbag burns, and sometimes more than one of them could be at fault at the same time. You might even qualify for compensation for airbag burns you suffered in a single vehicle accident if you can prove that those burns were the result of a defective airbag or airbag component. While you could be burned by an airbag even when it's functioning exactly as it should be, various design or manufacturing flaws could make burns more likely to happen, usually when those burns are caused by chemicals that shouldn't have been released or particles and fragments that shouldn't have been inside the airbag in the first place. In situations like these, you may be able to take action against the manufacturer, distributor, or retailer of the unsafe airbag or component part. If you found this video useful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. And if you're still reeling from airbag burns or other car accident injuries, get in touch with Hensley Legal Group, where we've been standing up for hardworking Hoosiers for more than 25 years.